Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I have a new video for you. It's my clean and cook with me video. I'm hoping this video will give you some motivation to, just get your housework done. You know how it is going through the week. Maybe you're working outside your home or maybe you're working inside your home. But it just seems like the only time that you have to get any cleaning done is on the weekends. So that's normally what I do on, a Saturday morning. So here I am just tidying up our bedroom because it just needed it. So while I was vacuuming, I kind of noticed that there was some dust on the furniture, and it was like, oh my God. And then I happened to also check our headboard, and I was like, yeah, we're gonna get that too because the struggle is real. Hindsight being 2020, I wish I had dusted the headboard and the footboard before I made the bed, but it is what it is. So I really want to give a quick shout out to Shay. She is the one that actually made those little flower arrangements that were on our nightstands. So here I am in the living room, and you just saw Luna take off because I'm vacuuming. So the first thing you'll notice is that we do not have any end tables or a coffee table. And that's because we are actually getting a new coffee table and end tables, and we just haven't found what we like because we haven't been too long moved into this house, and so we've just been really taking our time until we find what we really like and what just kind of suits our style. So yeah, that's why you notice the lack of tables. And Luna has a thing with the vacuum cleaner. She loves to watch me vacuum, but anytime the vacuum cleaner comes near her, she takes off. So it's so hilarious. So that I'm vacuuming, that is a Snuggie that Luna absolutely loves, and she tends to sleep on it and take her naps and all that. So we just let her have it. And on the plus side, it kind of helps keep the cat hair down when it comes to the furniture. I mean, of course, cat hair does get on the furniture, but the majority of it is concentrated on that Snuggie. So it kind of helps keep a lot of it there, and then I can just vacuum that up. So yeah. And I try to do this at least once a week because, again, cat hair can, tend to linger and get on everything. And the good thing is Luna doesn't shed too much. So that also helps because she's, a short-haired domestic tabby. At least that's what the paperwork says when we adopted her. So I'm just finishing up the vacuuming, and then I'm gonna put everything back where it needs to go. Luna's laying around watching me. And I have to straighten her bed back out, of course. And on to the kitchen. So I'm just going to quickly put away some of the clean dishes. And then I'm going to finish loading up the dishwasher. So this is just stuff that I'm trying to get done while I have the time. Because during the week, as you know, I work full time. And it's really hard to really do a good house cleaning during the week when you work full time. And then you come home and your wife and mom and you're cooking dinner and just trying to get ready for the next work day. So Saturdays definitely are my day to clean. And Sunday is my day to rest. So on Sundays, we generally go to church and then we come home and, we'll relax, have lunch, and then we'll just kind of hang out. Shay, with her being in college, she works on homework. The husband and I usually just hang out and talk, or watch a movie, or we do something together. Speaking of Shay, that's her in the background. She's in the office, so she's got class, I believe. She's working on classwork. And I'm just going to start the dishwasher. And then the items that didn't fit or that I normally don't put in there, I'm just going to quickly hand wash those. So I'm going to quickly just kind of wipe down my island and my counters. So I just sprayed them with this cleaner that I bought. Oh my goodness, it's probably been 2 years ago. It's a concentrated cleaner that's plant-based that I bought at Walmart. And I don't remember how much it was, but it was one of those, let me set up a demonstration and show you how well this cleaner works. And I really liked it. And so I bought it and it's been really good. It's non-toxic. I literally use this to clean my house, my kitchen, my bathrooms. Y'all, I actually use this to clean my fruit, like to wash my fruit. And it's been such a wonderful product. And I have not seen any since I bought it. And I'm just like, really? So I'm going to have to find something else. So if you know of a good plant-based cleaner that's safe around, children, pets, that can be used, to wash your fruits and vegetables, something like that, please let me know. I've heard Thieves is good, but I don't know anyone that actually uses it. So if you are a Thieves user, please let me know what you think about it in the comments. And now it's time to cook dinner. As you can see, there's a window right there, and it's getting dark outside. We live in the country, so it gets very dark, but thankfully we have a utility light. And yeah, so I'm just prepping my black beans, throwing those in the Instant Pot because we're having tacos with black beans and rice. So I'm just throwing my black beans in the Instant Pot, and now I'm getting ready to cook up my ground turkey. And the ground turkey, as you saw, I took it out of a Ziploc bag. And that's because I bought the big 3-pound package of the Butterball ground turkey. And I literally just separated it into, individual pounds because I'd stretch my meat. So I, divided into meals. So this is why you saw me pulling it out of the Ziploc bag. So I ended up having 6 packages of, little 1-pound bags, 6 1-pound bags of ground turkey after I divided it from that big grocery haul we did before. And now I'm just cooking up the ground turkey. I am cooking it in some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm just adding my taco seasoning. And that's the taco seasoning that I bought from Sam's Club during our Sam's Club haul. And it cooked up pretty well. It seasoned pretty well. I'm used to my taco meat being a little bit darker because it's kind of heavy on the chili powder. And so you'll see me adding some additional seasoning. That's me adding chili powder because I just love that flavor in my tacos. I'm just going to check my rice. It's cooking up nicely. And this is basmati rice. And it was really good. And the beans are now done. So I'm just letting the steam out. I'm venting it. And it's just hilarious to see, everybody's reaction every time I vent. But I love this Instant Pot. If you don't have one, I recommend that you get one because it comes in so handy. Now I'm just going to make up the tacos. There's the ground turkey. And I'm fixing my husband's plate. He likes his rice on the side, and he actually didn't want any beans. The beans was mainly for me and Shay because we love, rice and we love black beans. So now I'm just fixing my plate, and I'm throwing my rice and beans actually on the taco. For me, the messier, the better. And on the table, we've got some salsa and some cheese and all that good stuff to just throw on our tacos. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Just give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. It would really help out our channel. And follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Trippin' Bradley's. So I am going to eat, and thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.